WPS is a leading property services company which is part of the Waits Group, committed to delivering sustainable solutions across the UK. Within the LHC Retrofit and Decarb framework, our role under the Multi-Disciplinary work stream is to provide clients with sustainable solutions around planned and retrofit energy efficiency works. We provide an integrated service that spans the assessment of our clients' property stock, scheme design, funding support and an end-to-end delivery and install service. WPS provide independent PAS services like assessment, design and coordination, and the full management and installation of works including commissioning and evaluation. We act as a single point of delivery, ensuring a managed service across all retrofit and work projects, and these flexible solutions are there to meet the needs of our clients and their residents alike. So the services we provide are, as I say, from an end-to-end perspective. So we support clients from the very beginning of a process all the way through to the end. And that stems from the initial analysis of their property stock data to understand the opportunities that present themselves and the needs of each of our individual clients. And then we then go through from that to designing and delivering those works and then commissioning and evaluation. We work with our clients to look for funding opportunities that are available at the time. The government has heavily invested in retrofit works over the past 4 or 5 years, and we deliver these works through what's called the Social Housing Decarbonisation Fund, and also working with our clients to secure green finance to support their capital budgets. In terms of delivering a value for money service, we operate through frameworks such as the LHC, where we're able to remain competitive on our rates and ensure due diligence has been done, and using kind of dynamic procurement to secure the works. We also have an in-house install team that support with the installation of air source heat pumps and solar PV, known as Liberty. And we also have an in-house PAS consultancy who deliver retrofit assessment, design and coordination. Beyond that, we have an extensive network of preferred subcontractor partners across the UK, so we're able to ensure that we can provide not only good value for money, utilising local resource as well. So in terms of the types of works that WPS can deliver, we can deliver across all manner of archetypes, whether that be street-by-street properties to high-risk buildings. We've delivered, whether that be across central London, whether that be more rural areas, and we've also done tower blocks within London itself as well. Works across those particular archetypes have included external wall insulation, cavity wall insulation, loft insulation, new heating systems, both individual and communal heating systems across a block. We've also delivered solar PV measures, ventilation works, windows, doors, kitchens, bathrooms. The measures that we deliver are there with the aim of improving our clients' property stock to EPCC, in line with the government's targets and our clients' ambitions. Of course, when delivering retrofit, there are always challenges. A lot of the work that we do, we are operating within people's homes, and that's a really important consideration for a lot of these projects. Typically, we don't decant tenants out of their homes. We have to work in and around the residents that are living there. So that is a real key challenge, but it's one that we really focus on and make sure that we deliver a really good service, having a clear communication plan and keeping those residents informed pre, mid and post installation is really important. Quality assurance and quality control is embedded at every stage within the journey that WPS deliver. It's incredibly important that we meet all of the regulatory requirements. We use a supply chain where we closely monitor their performance. We do that utilising some digital tools where we're able to see and monitor the progress of those installations, whether they be pre, mid or post install, to ensure that quality compliance is there. We support our clients in a number of ways, and funding is a really key part in unlocking retrofit and maintenance works. We have helped secure clients over £200 million worth of government funding to date. We work with our clients to ensure that we're able to undertake a proper analysis and assessment of their property stock to understand where their areas of need are. We then look to design solutions that are fit for purpose, and then we support in the bid writing into central government to secure that funding to offset the capital cost of the retrofit works and decarbonisation works. We've seen up to 40% in carbon reduction across our clients' property portfolios. And in terms of the energy performance certificates and ratings, this is kind of the metric that is typically used. We have the ambition of delivering up to EPC C, but some clients like to go further than that and deliver more of a deep retrofit, which we are absolutely able to do. Whilst the carbon reduction is really important, it's also somebody's home. So helping make that a more comfortable and warm environment for our clients' residents is really, really important. By doing that, we're also able to reduce their fuel bills and bring people out of fuel poverty. One piece of advice would be around embedding social value and residents at the heart of what we're doing here. Social value and resident outcomes are incredibly important, whilst increasing and improving the property stock that we're working on is of course the aim. It wouldn't be possible without the residents buying into what we're doing. So it's really important in delivering those social value outcomes as well as taking the residents along the journey with us.